I haven't really documented much of it, but I did do the muriatic acid and creamed the gas tank for Terry's 110. Power washed it again and sprayed it with lacquer. It's kind of a satin look. I don't know, but it's alright. It looks a lot better. But yeah, just a quick shot on the frame. I'm also buffing the fender. You know, just boom, drill. So anyway, glossy cracks. That's what you get out of it. So there's that. The Big Red, I'm going to try to go riding this weekend, boys. So, the Big Red needs differential bearings, has needed them for a while. I ordered them, I have them. They need installed. So, I'm taking the old windshield mounts and repurposing them. Do a little something like that.
Excuse me, this is a closed.
So there's the game plan. So there we go. What do you guys think? Boom. Go ahead and hone it real quick. Decided that I would work on the 110 tonight and all. I've got some time in the morning. I can work on the Big Red and get it ready for the weekend. Hopefully. Cool. I'm good with that. Still got some lines in it, but I'm just putting rings in it. I'm not trying to hone it. Probably needed honing, but bored, but whatever. Listening to Porky's. I want some Cheetos. So we're gonna clean this head up some. And get the Dremel out, go to town on the exhaust port. I don't recommend doing anything to the intake port, not unless you're doing a big cam and high comp piston, but I will polish those exhaust ports, get them breathing a little better.
invisible.
Listening to Married with Children, if anybody's wondering what's going on. Okay, you know, of course, on the exhaust side, there's a little O-ring in there. And what I end up doing, if the ring's still pretty good, you know, not cracking, but it's hard, I'll put it in a cap of carb cleaner and some PV blaster, and that'll soften that rubber back up. And then I'll put a lot of grease in there and pack it full, and so that's how I do those. If I don't have a new one, which I don't have a new one, but the one that was in it didn't seem too bad, so I'm alright with that.
Where's the little woman? Out shopping for some more of those little lacy t-shirts that so drive the men crazy?
Excuse me, but doesn't anybody know this is against the law?
So is dressing up a chicken and calling it your wife.
Boom. Done. So tomorrow I'll do the rear end, get new bearings in that. I also think I'm gonna weld this to this to this so that can't move at all. But yeah, I like it, you know. Put 6-pack cooler right there and strap on with some bungee cords. Boom. Done. Alright, thanks for watching.